Are you looking for beautiful wood furniture and wooden decor pieces to revamp your living spaces? Renovating and decorating our living spaces is not just a matter of aesthetics, it encompasses emotional, psychological, and social dimensions that significantly impact our well-being. In an age where we spend a considerable amount of time indoors, the environments we create for ourselves can profoundly influence our mood, productivity, and overall quality of life. One of the primary reasons for renovating and decorating our living spaces is to foster a sense of comfort. Our homes serve as sanctuaries, places where we seek refuge from the outside world. A well-decorated space can evoke feelings of warmth and security. Colors, textures, and arrangements can influence our emotional state. For instance, soft, muted colors tend to promote calmness, while vibrant hues can invigorate and energize. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of beautiful wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you didn't know you needed to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A cluttered or outdated living space can contribute to feelings of stress and anxiety. According to various studies, a disorganized environment can lead to increased cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. Renovating a space to create a more organized and aesthetically pleasing environment can alleviate these feelings. By decluttering and redesigning our spaces, we can create an atmosphere that promotes relaxation and peace of mind. The psychological impact of our surroundings extends to our motivation levels. A well-designed and beautifully decorated space can inspire creativity and productivity. For instance, a home office that is aesthetically pleasing and functional can enhance focus and efficiency. Conversely, a dull or uninspiring environment can lead to lethargy and disengagement. By investing time and resources into creating an uplifting space, we can cultivate a more positive mindset. As our lives evolve, so do our needs. Families grow, lifestyles change, and priorities shift, necessitating renovations that accommodate these transformations. For example, a young couple may need a home office as they transition to remote work, or a growing family might require additional bedrooms. Renovations allow us to adapt our living spaces to meet our current and future needs, ensuring that our homes remain functional and relevant. Our living spaces are a reflection of who we are. They provide a canvas for personal expression and creativity. Through renovation and decoration, we can curate environments that resonate with our personalities, values, and tastes. Whether it's a minimalist aesthetic, a bohemian vibe, or a blend of styles, our homes can tell our unique stories. Decorating our living spaces also plays a crucial role in fostering connections with family and friends. An inviting and well-decorated home encourages social interactions, making it a welcoming space for gatherings and celebrations. Personal touches, such as family photos or art collected from travels, create a narrative that invites others in, strengthening bonds and creating shared memories. For many, homes are repositories of cultural and historical significance. Renovating and decorating can honor traditions and heritage, allowing individuals to connect with their roots. Incorporating cultural elements into home design not only enhances personal identity, but also educates others about diverse backgrounds and histories, promoting understanding and appreciation. From a financial standpoint, renovations can significantly increase the value of a property. Homebuyers often look for modern amenities and aesthetic appeal, making well-executed renovations a worthwhile investment. Whether it's updating a kitchen, renovating a bathroom, or enhancing curb appeal, these upgrades can yield substantial returns when selling a home. The renovation and decoration industry also plays a critical role in stimulating the local economy. Home improvement projects often involve hiring local contractors, purchasing materials from local suppliers, and engaging with various tradespeople. This not only supports local businesses, but also contributes to job creation in the community. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many homeowners are seeking ways to make their living spaces more sustainable. Renovating with eco-friendly materials and practices can minimize our ecological footprint. This includes using reclaimed materials and implementing energy-efficient systems. By making conscious choices, we can create homes that are not only beautiful, but also environmentally responsible. Renovation processes often encourage a shift towards minimalism and simplicity. As we declutter and redesign our spaces, we may find it beneficial to adopt a more minimalist approach, focusing on quality over quantity. This not only enhances the beauty of our homes, but also promotes a lifestyle that values experiences over possessions. One of the major inputs for home renovation projects is wood furniture. The act of renovating and decorating can be therapeutic. Engaging in a creative process allows individuals to express themselves and channel their energy into something tangible. The satisfaction that comes from transforming a space can lead to a sense of accomplishment and boost self-esteem. Renovating a living space encourages mindfulness and presence. The process of selecting colors, materials, and layouts requires focus and intention. This engagement can serve as a form of meditation, helping individuals disconnect from the chaos of daily life and reconnect with their environment. The result is a space that not only looks good, but feels good to be in. In conclusion, the need to renovate and decorate our living spaces extends beyond mere aesthetics. It encompasses psychological well-being, functionality, personal expression, economic considerations, sustainability, and therapeutic benefits. As we navigate an increasingly complex world, our homes must evolve to meet our changing needs and reflect our identities. By investing time and resources into our living spaces, we create environments that enhance our quality of life, promote well-being, and foster connections with others. Ultimately, the spaces we inhabit have the power to shape our experiences, making it essential to prioritize their renovation and decoration. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, beautiful wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you didn't know you needed to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.